Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix an error setup incomplete because of metered connection. Everything of course in Windows 10, so let's start with it. First we need to do is click right mouse button on icon of a start, and then we need to go to settings. After that we need to go to devices, Bluetooth, printers, mouse options, and now we need to go to the left panel and click on Bluetooth and other devices tab. Then we need to scroll down and we need to check this one option, download over metered connections. So I check this option, and after that we need to close this window and we need to click right mouse button on start icon again. Then we go to settings and we need to open network and internet, Wi-Fi, flight mode and VPN options. Then from the left panel we need to go to Wi-Fi and we need to click on network where we are connected. Then we need to scroll down and you must uncheck this one option, set as metered connection. So I click on this one switch, and after that you need to do one really important action. You need to like this video and subscribe my channel, and if I helped you, remember to buy me coffee from link in description.